So guys, dinner time naman tayo dito sa Henan Regency, yung buffet nila. So ito yung rates guys. So may breakfast, lunch at dinner buffet sila. Yan. So tara, pasok tayo dito guys. So pag naka na kayo, lalagyan ka nito. Then check natin yung mga meat. So dito tayo guys muna. Pasta station guys. So pwede kayong magpaluto ng pasta dito. Then next ito, may squid tsaka shrimp gambas. Then crab din guys. Crab relleno with sweet chili. Yeah. And fried whole fish. Then seashell halabos. Chicken inasal guys. Then may lechon kawali, Hungarian sausage, saka lechon manok. And dito may buttered mixed vegetables. Then mashed potato guys. Then sa gilid naman may grilled imported steak. Yan. So tara, lipat tayo dito guys. So dito na side, sinigang na isda. Yan. Noodle station pala guys. Then dito may mga maki rolls at sushi. Yan. So dito guys may crab stick, calamari, onion rings, shrimp, then ito baked scallops, ito siomai, Japanese siomai, then ito tofu, then siopaw. So dito na yung mga maki guys. So dito naman na side, yan, dried beef fried dito guys. Yan. Ito mga cold cuts naman, platter. Yan. Ito yung mga ranch dressing, salad, Mexican fish station. Yan. Ito mga nachos. Yan. Then lipat tayo dito sa kabila guys. So dito bread station ata siguro to. Dito yung rice, pilaf rice with chicken, bulangang with shrimp, yakisoba, seafood tibidor, yan, lemon fried chicken breast, then pata hamonado, then beef meatballs in tomato mushroom sauce with olive oil. Yan. May mga banana chips sticks. So ito guys, may pizza din, kiddie corner para sa mga kids. Yan. Then ikot tayo guys. Dito fruits naman. Yan. Ito salad. Yan. So ikot lang. Then dito may soup. Yung soup is Boston crab meat chowder. Yan. Mainit pa guys. Soup. Ito na tayo guys. Water station. Ito may mga pianono. Bread station din. Ito mga dessert. Then dito din guys, yan. Sa kabila naman, ito, ibang dessert yan. So pag hihingi kayo, mag-aas lang kayo ng assistance yan. Sandstorm, red velvet, fruit salad, yan. Naman. Cooks and cream parfait. Raspberry panna cotta. Then pandan coconut. Yan yung dessert guys. Then dito naman halo-halo station. So may milk. Ito. So kayo yung gagawa guys ng halo-halo. So ito yung mga ingredients. Yan. May ube, sweet corn, angka. So dito tayo sa gilid. Dito naman sa last side may turon. Yan. Tsaka cassava cake at sapin-sapin. Yan. So guys, kain na tayo dito sa Sea Breeze. So ito yung kinuha natin. Yan. Yung steak, crabs, then mashed potato. Yan. Yan. Kumuha lang tayo ng konting rice, may hamonado, meatballs, then mais scallops. Ito. Then crablets, then lobster ball, siomai, tsaka crab sticks. So, tara, kain tayo guys. Na guys. Hamonado. Sarap guys. Meatballs. Sarap. Imbang natin yung crab. Ito, crab relleno. Crab guys. Mashed potato. Ito. Then, tikman natin yung steak. Sarap. Try natin yung scallops. Scallops guys, yan. Daming cheese. Sarap din siya guys. Then yung crablets. Tingnan natin kung crunchy ba. Crunchy siya. Then yung siomai. Kuha tayo ng sauce. Sarap yung sauce guys. Sarap din naman yung siomai. So pag may time kayo, pumunta ka dito sa Boracay, try nyo rin itong buffet ng Sea Breeze. Masarap naman guys. Goods na goods.
I could do the same 51st dates if they all went like this. Coffee in the car, sushi under stars, running around the streets like kids.
'Cause you make me wanna cancel all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me. I don't care where we land.
360, spinning me around, tell me how you want me. On repeat, can we go again, kiss me on the concrete. 360, wanna play it back from the beginning. Every time we touch, colors start to rush up and down the borderline. Just want this to last, hope you say it back, I don't wanna say goodnight.
'Cause you make me wanna cancel all of my plans. It's a sunny day when you're with me. I don't falling for your need.